Currently on the screen is a look at the severe weather system, thunderstorm activity that impacted southeast Queensland, south of Fraser Island down into northern New South Wales. And my HQ has received over 107 millimetres up to 9 a.m. today. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. At 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time Friday, developing tropical low is located east of Papua New Guinea. The low is expected to develop further and may develop into a tropical cyclone in the Papua New Guinea area responsibility today or over the weekend. The system is expected to drift southwest over the weekend and may enter the northern parts of the eastern region early next week as a tropical cyclone or developing tropical low. For today, percentages for development remain very low. However, it is upgraded to moderate on Sunday, continuing on Monday. And that's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology's Cold Sea 3-day outlook. And on the screen is a look at the Himawari 8 satellite view. The Papua New Guinea Meteorological or Weather Office, they have no information on their books relating to this low pressure system. Now the Bureau of Meteorology over there in WA, their latest at 14:02, although this is updated by other information which we will come to. Tropical Cyclone Savannah is located near 13.8 degrees south, 94.8 degrees east at 1400 hours, which is about 280 kilometres southwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands. The cyclone is forecast to continue moving southwest, taking it further away from the islands before taking a more westward track on Saturday. The cyclone is likely to remain a tropical cyclone for at least the next 3 days, but should move west of the western region during Monday, and that would take it into Mateo Francis, I think it's La Reunion's area of responsibility, and at this point in time Savannah is a category 3 system on the local scale and a Cat 2 on the Saffron-Simpson hurricane scale. And recapping, a weak monsoon trough persists to the north of Australia. There is a slight chance that a new tropical low, 19U, develops in the trough, well to the north of the Western Australia coast over the weekend. While there is some uncertainty in the system's possible movement, the risk of a tropical cyclone developing in the region slowly increases over the weekend and early next week. And for today, very low, then increasing to low for Sunday and Monday. Now we have a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's current track chart on tropical cyclone Savannah, category 3. And it looks like she's going to be a category 3 for a few more hours or even a couple of days yet. Now we have a look at a developing tropical system over there, Papua New Guinea region, invest 92p. And it's going to be interesting to see what the Bureau of Meteorology has to say in their Coral Sea Tropical Cyclone 3-day outlook. And the GFS precipitation model extracted off the Pivotal Weather website, and the scale is at the right bottom of the screen, and again it's the area in purple, yellow through to dark brown. The Giant Typhoon Warning Centre has issued a tropical cyclone formation alert for Invest 92p. And a look at instability. This is from 7 a.m. through to 1300 hours Sunday. And the brighter the purple pinkish to the right is the highest instability level. And again, it looks like we could be in for some more severe thunderstorm activity in coming hours when we look at the storm probability outlook. And if you see any purple in any of the imagery, that is intense activity. This is also out to 1300 hours tomorrow. Now we have a look at the wind probability. Each of these images are 3 hourly periods, and the information again at the bottom left of the screen. And you can also see the picture changing, north, I think around south of Sydney, but up there in the Papua New Guinea region. The Bureau's 12 hourly rainfall. The rainfall scale is at the right hand side of the screen, and this is also developing. And up to 9 a.m. this morning, from about 1600 hours yesterday, my local area received 109 millimetres. And the Bureau's total forecast of rain. And unfortunately, the threat for the area north of Townsville is now developing. And look at that area in pink and purple. And as I just mentioned, Giant Typhoon Warning Centre has issued a cyclone formation alert. This is their first chart, and I'll provide more information in coming hours. And finally, in this update, a look at the Bureau's Brisbane radar. These are still images taken during the height of the storms yesterday afternoon, and unfortunately for me personally, I lost internet, telephone and TV, and my wife lost mobile telephone coverage also. And I lost it for at least 2.5 hours, and that impacted our live streaming.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name, Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.